My name's Denise Tan. I do courtside reporting for other sports, let's say swimming, taekwondo, table tennis, badminton, just to name a few. I am 26 years old. I'm around 5'9". My Instagram and Twitter is @_Denise Tan. Catch me on some of the other updates also of all of the favorite sports of everybody. Interest, basically I am a beach bum, so anything that has to do with water or going to the beach, I love. I love watching sports also, so may it be volleyball, which is my first sport, or basketball, or football, or tennis, or yeah, everything. My sports, well, number one is volleyball. I played it for around 10 years. I've tried badminton. First love was baseball though. I love sports because one, well, syempre it's fun, diba? That's why we play, because it's fun. And, you know, you grow through sports, not just your skills, but you grow as a person. So, napapatibay niya yung, alam mo yun, yung mental and emotional aspect mo as a person. Food, Japanese. Number one is tuna, sashimi, ramen, basta Japanese, lahat. Okay, what keeps me fit is I try to run as much as I can, even though ngayon wala talaga akong time because of work. Sa boys, likes and dislikes. I like them tall. It doesn't matter kung tisoy or chinito or basta gwapo. I like them when they're thoughtful, when they're nice. Very important sa akin yung may sense kausap. My dislikes, I hate it pag feel nilang gwapo sila. Pag feel nilang gwapo sila at patay na patay ka sa kanila. Pero hindi naman talaga. Yun lang.